Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful flower earring design. For making this I am using 8 number pearl cotton thread, fabric glue, starch, stud earring hook and one diamond stone, scissor, and I am using 11 number crochet hook. Now we will make flower. Magic ring, chain 1, 2, 1 double crochet in ring, 1 triple crochet in ring, 1 more triple crochet in ring, 1 double crochet in ring, and 2 chain. Connect in ring by slip stitch. 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, 1 more triple crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 chain. Connect in ring by slip stitch like this. So I will make total 6 petals all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my round. Now I will cut the thread and make it tight. So here is our flower. Now we will make a base for stud. This one. Three chain, 1 double crochet in ring, 2 double crochet in ring. So I will make total 12 double crochet all around this ring and complete my round. Now I have completed my 12 double crochet. I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread. This is our base. Now we will make stem and leaves. Start with chain, six chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Further chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 chain plus 10 more chain. Now skip first chain. In second chain I will pass through and pull the thread. Now next chain, in next chain, so I will work till I have 10 stitches on my hook. Now I have 10 stitches on my hook. Now pass through all stitches together and slip stitch in next chain like this. Next chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip first chain in next chain, slip stitch 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 in last chain, slip stitch. Like this. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip first chain in second chain, another chain, pull the thread only on hook, pass through all chains, now pass through all loops together. And connect here in first chain, slip stitch in second chain, in second chain, slip stitch in third chain, slip stitch in fourth chain, slip stitch in fifth chain, slip stitch in last chain, slip stitch. These are our leaves and stem. Now I will cut the thread. These are the parts of our design. So now I will apply starch backside of these. Now I will shape the petals. I will add earring hook, pass through our base, now I will attach stem, now flower, and let it dry. Now I will add diamond stone in center of our flower. Our earring is ready. Here are our both earrings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.